push for more on that right now. And Mary, this development John just reported on overnight. 7 House freshman Democrats who've been reluctant to impeachment now say it's time to go forward.
Yeah, sure. This is a very big deal. This is a group of freshman Democrats from swing districts who could be vulnerable.
Hello. I'm just getting on today as I just flat iron my hair out. So I washed it yesterday. This is how it came out. And I figure while I'm flat ironing my hair today, I should just do a video. So let me know if you guys have any questions. This is 3.5 bundles, a mixture of 26 to 18 inches with a closure. I washed it and air dried it yesterday. So now I'm just going to simply flat iron it out. So let me know if you guys have any questions. We are still having our $50 off all of our wefted bundles special right now. Come stop by our Culver City store anytime. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 to 7, and on Saturdays we're open from 11 to 6 p.m. Our address is 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. But yeah, so I'm just getting on here a little bit right now so you guys can ask me questions if you want. We specialize in making custom wigs. We do have our $175 installation special. I've been here in my Culver City store for almost 6 years now in January. So yeah, let me know what kind of questions you guys have. I'll probably be on here for just a few minutes. I probably won't bore you guys with the whole install unless you guys want to talk to me. It's kind of late at night. I'm just finishing up a meeting for the Culver City Art Walk and Roll Festival, which I am the co-chair of. Last year we had about 20,000 people. This year we are expecting 30,000 people. The event is October 12th, right here in the Culver City Art District from 11 to 6 p.m. So yeah, enough about that. I've been here in my Culver City store for 6 years now. Yes, I 100% own my company. We specialize in making custom wigs. We do custom color here in store. And then we also do installation appointments right here in the salon seats. Right now I'm flat ironing my wefted hair that I have in. Because tomorrow I have a busy day. I'm going to the A's game with my best friend. And I have a interview with the SBA for a spotlight business, so I need to flat iron my hair out. So yeah, just getting started.
Anybody that talks on social media or to an undercover source.
Are you styling the hair or straightening it, please? I am straightening it, which is also considered styling, but yeah, I'm just going to flat iron it out right now. I won't be putting any curls or anything in. I'm just going to get this hair straight. This is my Indian wavy hair that we just air dried, so that's why I air dried with this beautiful wavy texture here. And we did do this custom coloring here in store. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Pierre. Now we're going to turn to the severe weather hitting the Southwest overnight. Your
we can really custom color any of our extensions or any of our wigs that you see behind me in our store. We can color them almost any way you can imagine. So we really are a custom wig maker. We do full lace, front lace, and 360 lace wigs. And then we do the custom color. So this hair started out, of course, the natural 1B color, but I of course added some color to it and matched the closure. And this is the beautiful color that I got. And yes, I have a lace closure on with this installation. Right at the top is a 5x5 lace closure that we also custom colored. Yeah, I'm just about to show the Magic Hair Company hair care product line, which is what I used to shampoo my hair yesterday. So I actually shampooed my hair while I was at work because this is a busy week for me. So I just braided my hair down the side and did 2 braids. And then I used the Magic Hair Company Keratin shampoo and conditioner, which I will show you next. And I highly recommend to use the Magic Hair Company shampoo and conditioner when you are hydrating and washing and conditioning your high quality extensions as well as your own natural hair. So I specially formulated it, rock camera. I specially formulated the shampoo and conditioner to use on hair extensions, whether it's wefted hair or these beautiful wigs behind me or your natural hair. So this is perfect to use. You can pick this up on our website, magichaircompany.com, or in store on Amazon. We also have our hydrating curl defining amplifier, which is awesome to use and lightweight, so it will not clog your pores when it rubs against your face. And then we have an edge tamer, which I will use in just a moment. Is this a wig? Sorry, I just walked in. No, this is a sew-in installation. So these are wefts sewn in because we also sew wefted hair. That was really the reason why I did this install, because you know, when I started this company about 10 years ago, that's what I sold, was bundles and closures. But now I really focus more on the customization of wigs. But we do still have bundle hair here available. It's on sale right now for $50 off per bundle. So go ahead and check out magichaircompany.com or come into our Culver City store and hand select your bundles and closures. So we have lace closures and we have 360 frontals. Well, we're actually out of stock of 360 frontals, so we can custom order you 360 frontal, but we are in stock of our regular lace frontals and regular lace closures. But this is a sew-in with 3.5 bundles of my raw Indian wavy hair. It's really hard to find raw hair nowadays, but we still have it here at Magic Hair Company. Our hair will last you. Our hair colors. Yeah, shop with us if you want the best.
Talk show legend Oprah Winfrey opened up about her recent house scare with pneumonia.
I was on antibiotics, antibiotics weren't working. And then I went back for another CT scan and they said it's actually worse. You should see it.
So yeah, everybody, thank you for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will gladly answer them. We do have our $175 installation special. So that's what this side looks like so far. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll probably get back on as I get closer to finishing flat ironing this. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock here, so I need to get out this door and get home. But I really had to do my hair today, and I'm going to have a busy day tomorrow, so I didn't want to stay up until midnight flat ironing my hair at home or coming to the office early tomorrow to do it. So yeah, okay everybody, so I'm gonna keep flat ironing my hair out. I'll get on here a little bit later. I'm Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company. This is 3.5 bundles of my Indian wavy hair. It's $50 off right now. Shop with us online at magichaircompany.com or come on into our Culver City store. I will see you guys soon. Bye. Okay. So I'm back. Is it on? Okay, yeah, I think so. And I am just finishing up my hair that I started earlier. So, hi Malibu Dollface. So I'm just finishing up flat ironing the 3.5 bundles from earlier, as well as the lace closure. You see we did the custom coloring here in store. And I'm just gonna try to hurry up and finish this since I'm here at 8:30. This is a lace closure. Our bundles are $50 off right now, but we do specialize in making custom lace wigs. We do custom coloring in store as well as installation. So we are a one-stop shop for your premium hair extension needs. Malibu Dollface, I'd love for you to stop in whenever you're ready. You know we have lots in store. Come by, have some wine with me. Let's catch up. So yeah, I'm just flat ironing this hair out. If anybody has any questions, I'll only be on here a short moment. Whoops, see, I'm like an old person using social media. Okay. But yeah, so I'm just finishing up the top of this. I'm not going to put any curls in my hair. I like the way that it looks straight. Let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, and you can also text me because I know you have my cell phone number. But yeah, let's come on by. You're always welcome whenever you need anything. Don't you hate when you're flat ironing your hair and then you miss some? Okay, let me grab it down. I am not a stylist. I'm just doing my own hair right now, but I am not a stylist. I actually started this business when I was pretending to be a stylist in college. I used to do a lot of sewn weaves. So that's what inspired me to start the business, but I am not a stylist. I do not do any hair here. We won't be getting 2x6 closures. I've seen those lately. As of now, I don't have any plans of getting them. What do you think? You think I should definitely consider them? Thank you, #1 Wig Hair Plus. Okay, yeah, I keep missing this piece over here. So yeah, we also have our $175 installation special. That's for a basic sew-in or a wig installation. It includes braid down, basic styling. You must come with clean dry hair because this is a dry extension bar. But yeah, we'll take care of your installation. We'll make sure you have the finest quality of hair. Okay, talk to you soon. TY, thank you very much because you are my goals, but I'm not trying to be a stylist. I am definitely not a stylist. Also, guys, don't forget to check out our amazing hair care product line. I have my keratin shampoo and conditioner, which is what I use to wash this beautiful hair here. We have our curl defining amplifier, which I use to get my curls and waves popping and dipping. And then we have our edge tamer here. All of these products are available at magichaircompany.com. They're also available right here in our Culver City store and on Amazon. Thank you. So yeah, guys, I have a really busy day tomorrow, so that's why I had to stay late today to do my hair, but I figured I should get on and do a live. Let me know if you guys want to see more live from me and give me some topics to talk about during live. Here's a topic. Oh, I guess I should give myself the topic. Oh, okay, here's a topic, and I'll write it down so you guys can write it in the questions thing. What are some things that you guys think that I can do with my platform to change the hair industry? Or what is missing from the hair industry? And we will be doing lashes here in stores starting October 1st. So look out for more information on how to book your installation appointments. Quality. Okay. What kind of things do you guys want to see from me in my IG videos? Because I want to post more IG videos, but it seems like when I go through editing them, only like 1,000 people watch. But when I just post my lives, I'll get like 10,000 views. So let me know what you guys want to see as far as my lives, as far as my IG videos, as far as my feed, as far as my story. I want to know what you actually want to see. Like, do you enjoy just watching me flat iron my hair like I am now, or no? Do you want me to just come on here and talk? And we did custom color this hair in store. We can custom color your hair almost any way you can imagine, almost. All of the wigs behind you that you see were colored by Tatiana, my amazing colorist here in store. You can come in, have a custom color consultation with her, and she will really custom design your wig. We have wigs available here for you to just walk in and walk out with. If you need to get ready for the night or you got somewhere to go, come on in and get a new wig. We will get you together for the evening. We also do lashes here starting the 1st. Our installation appointments are just $175. Yes, we are a Black-owned business. My name is Janice. I'm the owner. I am clearly Black. I get that question every day, which is fine because, you know, people want to support Black-owned business. Yes, this is a Black-owned hair extension boutique located here in Culver City. So this is the final results of my look today. This is my 3.5 bundles. Hey, Tati. My Indian wavy. Let me show you what it looks like from the back. I'm about to get off of here. So yeah, you know, I learned that the key to twerking is to swing your hair. I'm not gonna twerk on here on live though, but yeah. So here is our 3.5 bundles that we custom colored here in store. And I also have a lace closure. Shop with us at Magic Hair Company if you want the best. Come here in my Culver City store so I can take care of you. Let me know if you guys have any questions. My name is Janice. I am here to assist you with all of your wig transition needs. Let me know how I can help you. Give us a call, come in store. You do not need an appointment to come by. Come on by anytime. We specialize in making full lace, front lace, and 360 lace wigs. We do beautiful custom coloring in here. We only have the best and finest quality of hair. We have raw Indian bundles. We have lace closures, lace frontals. We have clip-ins. And yeah, just come on in, have a great time with us. Don't forget to pick up my amazing product line. It will change your life. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. All right, guys, I will see you soon. Once again, give me some more ideas of what to talk about during live. And yeah, come on by, guys. You see the beautiful store behind us here. Check us out, magichaircompany.com. We're open here at 8638 Washington Boulevard in Culver City, California, Monday through Friday from 10 to 7 and Saturdays from 11 to 6. I hope you guys follow us, ask us questions. Let me know how I can better assist you. My name's Janice. I'm the owner of Magic Hair Company. We've been here for 6 years and I've been in business for 10. Bye, thank you for watching.